Sir Presence, kasi talaga naman, kahit sino, kahit kay ninong grupo, ang dami nitong natulungan. So, hindi ko na patatagalin. Let's all welcome Miss Yas! Woo!
Well, do you know, by the way, that aloe vera has been known for 4,000 years? You know that? And aloe vera has gained so many names and so many palayaw. And I was so touched while the speakers are actually sharing their experiences. And they said, this is a gift from God. And sure enough, it is a gift from God. For some reason, there are so many cases I've handled, averaging probably 1,000 per month. Minsan, kinikilabutan ka. Tumatayo yung balahibo mo. Because a lot of them are incurable. And yet, despite the fact that they are incurable, we're able to successfully treat them. Now, I can't help but notice psoriasis. I always tell my patients, psoriasis happens to be my favorite case. Why? Because hindi na pinapansin ang psoriasis. Hindi na binibigyan yan actually ng attention. Because psoriasis is extremely an easy case. But do you know why it's called psoriasis? Sorry, as is. Hindi na siya curable. That's psoriasis. Minsan, I'm quite embarrassed. Na-embarrassed ako to say this minsan, no? When I talk to some clients, and then they come in with psoriasis for 11 years, 20 years, 30 years, nasashock sila pag sinasabi mong gagaling. Because all doctors that they talk to will always tell them that it is impossible to actually treat psoriasis. That's why they become so advanced. But psoriasis with proper combination, with proper product combination, you can actually tell kung kailan siya gagaling.